Hi guys, it's Tiffany. I had a suggestion of making some mini skulls using glow in the dark pigment. So I thought that would be a perfect thing. So what we're going to do, I've got 5 different colors. I've already mixed my resin. And we have green, yellow, blue, purple, and magenta, all in the Let's Resin glow in the dark mica powder pigment. Now then, what I'm going to do above that is I've made enough to fill each one of the mini skulls, and then I'll have enough left over where I can try marbling the glow in the dark pigments. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's find out. So I'll start with the little green, and I have let the resin sit for a moment, for a few minutes. That way it is just starting to get thicker, which will help with the marbling. There we go. As I finish them, I'll set them up a little bit. Something I might want to do is give the little mold a spray first with the 99% isopropyl alcohol. It'll help with bubbles. Hopefully I won't have a problem with bubbles in the other two. There we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is do a layering of each of the colors. Mm. Purple. That was the next one. Uh-oh. Oh, what a sad waste. Let me find. At least try to salvage a little bit of it. Alright. It's not perfect. I'll have to clean that the rest of the way up in a minute. But like I said, I had let this already set so it could start thickening up. So at this point, I need to do it the right way this time. I need to go ahead and get them in. One down. Actually, for some reason, the green was not wanting to mix well for me this time. I'm actually seeing some now. It sunk to the bottom. Just trying to break it up. Hoping it'll mix well enough. Alright. There. Now we do the blue. And purple. And last but not least, the pink. All right. And now, let's move the other two little skulls back some. There we go. We can bring that forward. Actually, I'm going to go right down the front of him. Uh-oh. I'm just making all kinds of messes today, aren't I? Before I dome it, try wiggling it a little bit. Wiggle thump thump. Come on, Bubbles, please come up. All right. A little more pink. There we go. Okay, it's finally time to see how they came out. Let's see here. Cute little yellow one there. You wouldn't think it'd be so hard to pull a small skull out of a mold, but that one came out good too. Good, good. Blue's pretty. Oh, with each skull, it's getting a little easier. There we go. Oh. Last but not least, ooh, yes. Oh, these are cute. All right, look at that. They all came out great. Very happy with how they came out. So that's them. Now, for the moment we've really been waiting for, see if our marble one marbled, or if it just all blended together and became mud. Oh, remember how I told you the green was giving me difficulties? That's what happened. Although it still looks really cool up here. It's got that look of kind of brains. It did marble. I think it would have done better if I would have used, say, 3 colors rather than trying to use 5. I think that could have made a huge difference. But we'll let it be under the light for just a minute, and I'll turn the lights off, and we'll see how it glows. Oh, there we go. Here, let me bring you down. Look at that. Wow. Came out really cool. You've got the blue, you got the pink, yellow, purple here in the cheek area. That is really cool. All right. Let me know what you think, guys. I know the little mica powder dots up here isn't great, but other than that, see, look at the top. Haha. Other than that, what do you think? Urgh. Ooh, spooky. These are cute. The pink really glows. Okay, there we go. Let me turn the light back on. So there we go. Ooh. Like I said, I think doing maybe 3 colors instead of 5 would give more of a defined marbling. There's just too much going on, so they do start mixing, it looks like some. All right. Have a good one, guys. See you next time. Bye for now.